I'm Jade for WEXT. I'm going to play you a couple of songs off the new record today. This one is called Head Start. They say I act around you different than I usually do. They say that I've even given special treatment. I deny it, but I can. What you don't seem to understand is I won't just take your hand. I've left signs, but you take no notice. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? I've given you head start. I know it's girls aren't easy, but come on. What do you need to see? I've given you head start. Ooh, I've more pride than any. This is kind of rare for me. Everyone knows that it's true. You're the only one in the room, but you don't see me, do you? Must be blind, I not to. That's alright, I'll keep on putting myself on the line. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? I've given you head start. I know us girls aren't easy, but come on. What do you need to see? I've given you head start. Is there a way to get your attention without looking like a fool? Should I slip it in all conversations? By the way, I love you. Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? I've given you head start. I know it's girls aren't easy, but come on. What do you need to see? I've given you head start. Thank you so much for listening today. This next song is called Houdini, and it's a bit of a sad one. It's 2:45 and it's clear to me that you're leaving. Usually we don't come to blows till the evening. Now the neighbors are out on the street trying to hear what we're screaming about. Only thing they want to want a reason or an explanation. If they need lessons on leaving, I'll send them to you, Houdini. They looking at me like you can't quite believe what you're feeling. But I've always known that you'd go without giving a reason. Or you start a war, slam the door, throw it all in my face. So I don't want you to stay. If they need a want to want a reason or thank you to everybody at WEXT for all the support so far. I really appreciate it. I'm going to play you a brand new song. I haven't played this very often, so we'll see how it goes. But it's called Open Up the Heavens. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. I hope you have a lovely day.